All right, let me introduce you a ping pong table. Now, this is going to be 6 by 3. It's very compact. It has a little weight, so it's good enough to take anywhere pretty much. If you're going to go camping, this fits perfect on your car. Now, if you guys can see, it came with a bunch of accessories. Everything's included in here, so it's ready to go. And legs are really strong and easy to set up. It comes with 4 legs on the side and 2 in the center. So this is great for those that are worried about the weight or maybe stabilizations. So this is one thing that I enjoyed because we took it to a party and I was able to take it back on the car. Set up, it took me about 10 minutes to set the whole thing up and we're ready to play.
No!
Go, Remy, go! Go,
You
Remy, go!
cannot use the goal!
Here, Remy, get this one. Look, Remy, they're going so fast. Oh.
Should it go so fast?
Ready? Go, hit it! Oh! Yeah, go, 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 go! Yeah, good job! She's on roids. So for your next party or your next event, this is perfect. Everything goes back in here and it doesn't take, it's minimum space. So if you don't have any space in your house, your place, your backyard, it's perfect for any event too. And like I said, you could take it to travel or you could play with it here. Everything's included with the net, ball, 3 balls, and then the 2 paddles. So if you ever need it, you can always put it away and she's ready to play.